Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. So, this lady, Unokukhanya Kumkani, has been trending on TikTok, you guys, after she did a very shocking video making serious and damaging allegations against DJ Zinhle. Now, in the video, you guys, which has been watched by millions of South Africans, the lady accuses DJ Zinhle of being the one who killed aka. Not only that, you guys, she further on went on to make serious allegations that DJ Zinhle not only killed aka, she sacrificed him for wealth and fame. You guys, she claimed that DJ Zinhle sold aka to the 666. She has made a lot of allegations, going as further as calling DJ Zinhle is Febe, you guys. So let me not waste your time, but quickly insert this video. Please do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
Hi, so easy. Umama wakho lo ise-News Cafe yabona ngigqoke ithi iqiqile gold, sigqoke i-diamond and gold, asigqoka ama-era. Bheka lesifebe u-DJ Zinhle, yasibona la ikhombe lesifebe lesifebe esibulele u-aka nasi la, yasibona bathi siza la ngezi-18 July, so bizicela size la, yasibona lesifebe yasibona lesifebe asibonakali kahle, bathi u-DJ Zinhle umusikole maseboss, you kill aka wena umsayinela 666. Bheka kahle nawo yambo ubulele u-aka lo le-Super Beach le ithi la Witbank asicasheki, mara bheka bathi uyeza ngezi-18 now, bathi ngezi-18 July bathi uyeza le maseboss ingcolile lelo yami songizi le maseboss le bathi yeza mina ngithi cela bayikhiphe la bafake wena mfana wami, cela bakhiphe la bafake wena bo, bathi le maseboss bathi yeza la Witbank ngezi-18 July masisa simkhahlele simbuzo aka wambulalelani isivunguvungu masimvunguza lapha endlini simvunguza simjolela uyahlanya uhlanyelani ngoba manje ufaka u-aka isithombe sakhe ekamereni labo ukuthi bafebe afebe usivunguvungu yena uchithisa u-aka. Understand? Usivunguvungu uyafeba uyambhora ubheke u-aka uyomchithisayo ikamenza ingulube yesigaba, something like that. Yabona wena sifebe senza DJ Zinhle asagqoka ama-era, yabona sigqoka nithini, we are the queens, asifuni ma-era. What is an era? You are an era, DJ Zinhle. You are an era. You are a problem child. Isihlula abazali somntwana ungugaqekile unyama yomsipha uyinja lesifebe somntwana esilengisa amalebe wezinja uzotshela thina emalahleni asicasheki nakuqeda ufuna wenza ama-show emalahleni ufuthi la DJ Zinhle, you are cancelled out of our place. Yimi engiphethe la emalahleni, I'm the queen of the world. Yimi unokhanya umkhulu nokhanya lo awungiboni kahle ne uzizongibheka. Yimi ngithengisa ama-weave wasemanzini phasi kwamanzi. Yimi queen, yabona lapha phasi esekalala. Yimi queen yaphasi kwamanzi unokhanya, yabo nering yami ne-diamond, yabo phasi kwamanzi. Yimi queen of the world. I'm an Islamic from Israel. Ngumkhulu nokhanya ugobela obonayo wena ubulela u-aka wamsayina ku-666 wathi uthatha isithombe sakhe wasibeka ekamereni lakhe uthi kufebe ngoba ubongana umuzwa sewuhlelele naye emlethela kithi mos, and uzofunani la Witbank emalahleni ngoba thina sicasheki. Asho thina we can't be employed by you as if you need to be employed by era. You are an era. Ihlula abazali kuphela somntwana esimzondayo simfisela ukufa day and night simthandazela sithi uyofanini ubulele u-aka uyinja yomntwana ubulele u-aka wena msini wakho 666 weyiqhaza emakhosini ubongana kufebele to the war on the war. Hayi ngishona so mizubuye la is 18 July nyeza la 18 July azosichazela njengoba i-Witbank ingaqasheki wayefuna wenza ama-show la endaweni yethu e-News Cafe. Yabo kuhle njani, kuhle yabona i-News Cafe yethu le iyangizonikhomba kuhle bo la kungena abo-Barnabas abona basivalele la kungena abo-Barnabas la bafaka i-red yabo i-red bathi la kungena amakhosi ahlala la yabo mina ngihlala ngaphandle ngidlala nabantwana 7 years hayi yabo ka-7 years ngimuhla la yimi ngithengisa ama-weave laba kasomizwa phasi kwamanzi udilivelwa yimi naye akawazi abuyaphi le abuya kumathikithi baba ngasayidela mathikithi sayidela uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe who the hell are you wena DJs msunga nyo that is shit the most count